So, hello and a warm welcome to this little presentation about the AR4 3D printed robot arm with metric bearings. In this little video I want to showcase the updated step data. In this data I also implemented the motors, the gear, the metal parts, which are obviously the bearings, and the J4 structural tubing, and the base plate, which is made out of wood. First of all, I want to discuss the differences between my robot and the original AR4 robot that you can buy out of Anin Robotics via the robot kit. So you could buy the kit with all the aluminium parts, hardware and electrical components, and you would get a different robot. And I want to describe the differences. So first of all, I looked at the hardware components and wanted to basically replicate the hardware components such as the bearings and belt system and kinematics exactly, but I had some difficulties because I am living in Europe and I don't have readily access at least to Imperial taper roller bearings. So I had to replace some roller bearings, and those were the NTA 1625, basically all the Imperial roller bearings, and had to go with a metric substitute. Because of this substitution, I had to redesign a lot of some structural components to accept those new bearings, but we will go to that shortly. Also, on the timing belt side, I wanted to buy the timing belt from RS Online, which is apparently a supplier for mechanical parts and electrical parts here in Germany, but I couldn't get the 214L timing belt and the 84XL timing belt, so I had to go with a different one, which had one tooth less, or in the case of the 84XL it had two teeth less. So my design accommodated for that. So if you want to rebuild my robot, you have to keep in mind that you have to buy different timing belts. But we'll try to make this Excel sheet available with all the links. So those are the main differences in the hardware components that I had to design around to get to this model.